meatball garlic knot pot pie, and it's going in the oven on 375 for about 35 minutes. So our Italian meatball Parmesan pie just came out of the oven, and it looks beautiful. I'm going to pair it with a little wine and enjoy it with family.